One woman in particular who knows all about this. In fact, she's the expert.
Charlotte Smith has got you covered.
I love this.
Yeah.
Boosting the paint sticks, my girl.
I know,
yes.
right? You just have to smile real big and they'll give you a handful.
I have extra.
I thought we were your first TV
Yeah, we thought we were.
experience.
This is the most exciting.
Oh, good. Okay, good.
Our goal is world flea market domination.
Hi everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. And you're done. And you know, I painted these, but that's where you can add your own personality. Paint, stain.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it was really fun. And one of my first tips is that don't be afraid just to look in your own closet.
So this is sort of the sensory section, which is parent speak for messy,
Okay.
which means kids will love it.
That's fine.
When I first met with this homeowner, I asked her what sort of a space did she want.
There's the moment when they walk around the space and they connect that you can just see it dawn on them that this is their house. That's the moment.
So I've made a bunch of
you're
these
gonna put
knots
that
in
on,
advance.
and I'll
No,
make it
I'd
for
love
you.
you guys to help. And you can have fun with
What
it.
to do is take back like maybe 6 inches of paper and then go slow. There's no rush. You at home will not be on TV doing this. But I need to impress upon you just the volume of foaming.
And I want to show you a simple way to color them. So Teresa, just give a little squirt in here.
Oh, I could do that.
And then that's it.
This is way better than
Simple.
Yeah, right? But people love it. So I was able to make some scrunchies with rubber bands and these old neckties. I think it takes a little bit of getting used to see the transformation and the potential. That's an easy thing for the kids to make today. Well, we're doing some artwork, and what I always tell people when they come into a house, I think bare walls can make a house feel really kind of dull.
Cannot impress upon you how easy and inexpensive it is.
It's cute,
I
too.
saw something similar at the craft store, and I was like, heck no, I'm gonna make it.
This is a submersible pump, and this is sort of the fun part for the kid.
I also need to apologize for the unfortunate pattern mixing that is happening in this cabin.
The things that I DIY'd, which I love, I made these little tags for everything.
You just tape off a pattern, any pattern, and then you give it a hit with spray paint.
The magic ingredient here
pretty.
is one of these takeout containers. So I'm always looking for inexpensive, unexpected ways to dress a table. My first tip is just to consider how you're displaying the food.
They don't even have each other's number. He has to tweet her.
Your Bunsen
You
burner.
can just
There it is.
torch,
Beautiful. Thank
and
you,
your
Charlotte.
guests will love it.
Wow.
Thank
I
you,
just
everyone,
burned off
for
my eyebrows
watching.
after that. Wow. Thanks for coming on. Awesome stuff as always.
I am so DIY challenged, but Charlotte makes me feel like there's hope. Like that there's hope for people like me.